Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. Before connecting anything, visually inspect the dead battery to confirm there are no cracks or signs of leakage. Position the working vehicle so it's close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles are not physically touching each other. This prevents accidental short circuits and ensures a safe working environment. Now let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal part of the dead car's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to attempt a start. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle. Allow it to run for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the dead battery some time to receive a charge. After this period, try to start the engine of the dead Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait another few minutes before attempting again, giving the battery more time to charge. Once the dead car starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black clamp from the grounded metal surface on the now running car. Then, disconnect the black clamp from the working vehicle's negative terminal. Next, remove the red clamp from the working battery's positive terminal. Finally, detach the red clamp from the positive terminal of the car that was jump-started. Drive the car for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.